Real Life Traders, I hope you're doing terrific. March is Kids Month at Real Life Trading. So our 3 challenges for the month will be easy, super simple, and will definitely involve your kids. Number 1, your real challenge, which is generally your physical challenge. Amazingly simple. I want you to work out with your children. So if they're older, do what they do. And if they're younger, they should be doing what you're doing. Take them to the gym with you, roll around the floor, do bear crawls, do pull-ups, whatever that entails. Make sure that you are working out with your kids. Also, shout out to my boy Yates, first name, last name Craig, for completing a Murph of the day. He did a Murph workout every single day for the month of February and is continuing to do so for March. I mean, that's an incredible feat. Shout outs to you, my man. Great job. That being said, your trading challenge, you guessed it. That's right. Trade with your kids. Pull them in front of you. Show them your process. Show them what you're thinking. Show them why, where, when, how, all the fun stuff, all the goodies. And then, of course, your life challenge. I want you to partake with your children. Have your children either go through our kids mentorship or join me for the intermediate kids training, which will be, of course, totally free towards the end of March. Links and everything are below. Team and friends, family from around the world, you are terrific. I love you. Welcome to Kids Month at Real Life Trading. You are the bomb.